So I'm just trying to get some things together this morning. I just got out of the shower. I'm gonna use this lotion today for the morning. I just washed my face and I'm gonna use the Ordinary lactic acid. I actually really like this one. I can honestly say that I don't like all of the Ordinary products, so I feel like I really like this one. And I actually am running out, so I need to get some more. And I'm getting ready to do my hair. I think I'm just gonna do a braid out. So I'm using this Congo leave-in conditioner, and I'm just gonna use some hair oil, and that's it. And then I'm going to just get some coffee and relax this morning. I woke up and it's pretty cold in the house. It rained last night, so y'all know when it rains around the fall, winter time, it gets really cold afterwards. So I'm gonna be trying to do the Vlogmas thing. I'm really hoping that I can keep up with it. So we'll see how it comes along. I do have a handful of things I need to get done today. Of course, spend time with the girls, go from there. All right, so let's get into it. Finished my hair. I just did a braid out, and I'm gonna use a scarf to lay it down. I have a love-hate relationship with my hair. Sometimes I'm like, oh yeah, I love my locks, and then some days I'm like, I'm over it. So anyone interested in getting locks, just know that there's also cons to locks. January will make it 1 year, my 1 year anniversary, but I'm trying to hold in there. If not, I'll hold in there until March. We'll see. But yeah, I just go back and forth if I still want them or if I don't. And if I ever were to think about changing my hair, I'll just cut it into a really short cut, because I've had that before and I don't mind, you know, wearing a shortcut. I think I'm gonna go ahead and put this on too. I feel like this product gives like a nice dewy effect on my hair and on my skin, and I felt like it kind of helps even out your skin tone. I really like it. So once this is finished, I will buy another one on this product. It's so cold, like my fingers are cold right now. So yeah. And then that's it. So now what I'm gonna do is go downstairs to make some, I'm not hungry. We're just gonna go downstairs to make some coffee. I do plan to try to get some Christmas ornaments up today, so hopefully we can get that done. One of my daughters wants to help me, so let me take you guys along. I need to take this chair up from Thanksgiving. We got a little bit of Christmas decor going on. So later today, I'm gonna get all of this taken care of. We have our tree going up. I still need to fluff it out. Last year was the first year that I got a flock tree. I purchased this one from Walmart. It's so pretty, I love it. I did do cluster ornaments. So last year, it took me several hours to do this. And I said, when I had to pack it up, I was like, I kept these ornaments on the tree because I didn't want to have to spend several hours to remove them. But this year I plan to take them off. So for the most part, everything stayed on. It was like a handful that may have fell off, but that's it. And then these are the picks that we're going to be adding. Can't wait to add those. These ornaments are from At Home, and I plan to return those. I don't feel like I need them. And this is our little coffee bar that I'm working on. I found this cute little clear house, and I was like, oh, I can put our K-cups in that, and then have that. So let's make a cup of coffee. And I use this cabinet for like our shoes at the bottom, just so they're not out. And then I put like all our K-cup stuff in there. This from Target, and their Five Below section. So cute. Okay guys, so hopefully you guys can see me trying out recording on my phone. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up my coffee, relax some, and then I'll come back later in the video. All right. So I just recorded a clip, but I stopped it to make sure I was in frame, and I think it might have been on time lapse. I don't know. So I'm gonna kind of repeat myself. So I am dressed. We are about to go out. I just put this on. I've already had this shirt. I've already had the jeans and everything. This little pullover sweater is just new, and I got that off of Amazon. I'm trying to incorporate some of the things that I have and just add to it and layer things. But I did do a little bit of Black Friday shopping, and when those things come in, I'll probably just do like a little haul. I'm actually almost done with my daughter's Christmas stuff. I did kind of start early, and the only things left that I have to do, maybe get, is like a handful of stuff. Like I really don't. I got a lot of stuff already done, so I'm happy about that, so I don't have to worry about it. And then the only other thing that's left that I gotta get done is my family gifts. So this year, for the adults, we just picked names. I guess, what do they call it? Secret Santa. So we just did that. So I have to get my person their gifts, and then the cousins did the same thing. So I told the girls we'll go out in a couple of weeks and get their Secret Santa their gift. So yeah, this is how my hair turned out. I think it turned out really cute, because honey, earlier I feel like my hair was looking jacked up. So let me go ahead and finish getting my life together. And I don't know if I said this, but a lot of times lately when I've been going out, I've just only been putting like concealer around my eyes and mascara, and then I'll do like something to my lips, and that's pretty much it. I just want to make sure you guys are in view, because I'm filming on my camera. I'm hoping to make this Vlogmas somewhat less painful. I've never recorded and put out videos every single day, but I'm excited to do that. So if there's anything particular you guys are wanting to see, by all means, let me know. All right. So what I might end up doing, okay, I'm just gonna do this. The lip bar I like there. It says tinted skin conditioner, but again, I'm just gonna put it around my eyes. I'm just filling in my eyebrows some. I actually want to get my eyebrows microbladed. I need to reach out to one of my coworkers. It was a lady that came in and her eyebrows looked so pretty and so natural, and she said that she got it done at the cosmetic center at one of the hospitals. And I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just kind of making them feel in a little bit better. So I know she wrote down the information. So next time I see her, I'm gonna ask her, because I still couldn't find the place. So I think I'm pretty much done. Oh, sometimes I'll get this it's eyeshadow, but sometimes I'll get this and do like a highlighter. So I don't think I even have any of that. All right, that's all I'm doing, guys. And then I have some, I think I might do a little bit of this, but I don't, oh. Yeah, I have this lipstick. I know this would last on really good, but I think my lip liner is downstairs, so let me go check. I'll be right back. I am back. So I have this lip liner. It's by the Lip Bar as well. Oh, I'm out of breath, y'all. So I heard Morphe has a lip liner. They had it on sale at Ulta because that's where I need to go to. I need to go by Ulta, Target, Hobby Lobby are the 3 places I need to go to. And then I need to make a return to at home, because I'm not sure if I'm putting it in this clip. There are some ornaments that I need to return. So let me get this done. I think this looks cute. I'll probably take these 2 things with me in case I need to reapply it after drinking something. For lotion, I'm just going to use this. This I know holds very well. Let me go get some perfume. I think I'm gonna wear the Victoria's Secret perfume. My sister got this for me one year, and they have a red one, I think, by this line. A girl at Walmart, she was doing my order and she smelled very nice, and I want to say it was by the same line, but it was the red one. So I will be trying that one there, and that's a Victoria's Secret perfume. All right, I feel like I really like this Nivea lotion because you can wash your hands and your hands can stay moisturized. My hands are the worst during the winter. I get eczema, and you can still see some of the scarring there. So if you're someone who has eczema and your skin is like really bad during the winter, I highly recommend this. It's definitely been a lifesaver for me. So I think I'm ready to go, and I don't know if y'all can see, but I'll push it down. I just have on some brown boots. I had a taupe color boots, or soft caramel. No, I think they were called taupe, and she said the brown boots went better, which is fine. Puffer jacket, this is by Hollister. I got this maybe 2 years ago. One of my daughters wanted it, and she eventually never wore it. That's why a lot of times I get stuff, whatever they want. If I like it, I get it in my size as well. I get it in the size that I know I could wear, so if they don't end up wearing it, I just keep it for myself. I think it's kind of chilly out there today, so yeah. And then of course I'm wearing my Coach bag. Y'all, this Vlogmas stuff seems weird because I feel like I'm talking a lot, but I always say that. So I feel like this is something cute to wear on the weekends, or I might end up changing in my brown jacket. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up so we can head out, and I'll come back. Peace. Okay guys, so we are back home. I'm pooped. I'm tired. The girls and I finished the Christmas tree. We decorated downstairs. We put some garland behind the sofa. I had the girls add some lights and pics to that. We added garland to the stairs, and they helped me with that. And then we kind of we got the table setting done. I think it turned out pretty. I got the idea off of social media, of course. And then I kind of added some Christmas stuff over the cabinet thing. But yeah, I'm excited. I think everything turned out nice. I still didn't get a chance to go to At Home to return the ornaments. And I did purchase something from HomeSense as well. I think I'm gonna go ahead and return that as well. So I'll probably do that on Monday. I don't know, Tuesday I feel like I have something to do, but I don't know what it is. I have to go back and look at my planner. So either Monday is going to be a rest day, and I'll go make errands on Tuesday because I also need to get my car looked at. My check engine light is on. I had something happen last week, so yeah. But anywho, if I end the video here, I want to say thank you so much for watching. This is Vlogmas Day 1. All right, bye.